Introducing the TYPHON 18 FLEX Mini Excavator, your ultimate partner for small to medium scale projects. Powered by a high-performance Kubota D722 engine, delivering 16.4 HP at 3,600 RPM. Designed for easy maneuverability, perfect for farms, gardens, parks, and more. Versatility at its core, with attachments for drilling, digging, and bulldozing. Enhanced control with a hydraulic joystick and boom swing for increased maneuverability. Handles intensive projects with ease, without sacrificing performance. Comfort and safety with an enclosed cabin for the operator. Comes with 10 versatile attachments to tackle any task. Perfect for ditch cleaning, trench digging, rock breaking, and more. Ideal for public spaces, small construction sites, and municipal works. A 415 mm wide bucket and 0.04 cbm capacity for efficient excavation. Compact, powerful, and reliable, your go-to solution for efficient excavation. Experience the ease of mini excavator operations with the TYPHON 18 FLEX. Invest in efficiency and versatility today.